Have you ever been looking for something only to find that it was right there in front of you the whole time, hidden in plain sight? Well, that happens to me a lot, and it makes me feel kind of foolish. But I don't want you to feel foolish about something that's been hidden in plain sight in the financial markets, and I think the stock market and the bond market are just now beginning to discover it. The bond market is a lot larger than the stock market, and it's caused a lot of the volatility lately because it's been worried about inflation. So as interest rates rise, and the Fed has been raising rates to kind of put a tightening effect on the growth of the economy. But the thing that they've missed is liquidity. And there's a ton of liquidity in the financial markets. Basically what that means is that when money is available, that stocks don't have to be sold for cash. And so although the rates are higher, stocks can work as a hedge against inflation and outpace the increase in interest rates. So yes, we may see inflation, and yes, we are probably going to continue to see interest rates rise, but I don't think that's necessarily a precursor to the end of the growth of the stock market. Now, stocks will continue to bounce around, and all of this volatility that we've seen lately is likely to continue for a while. But that's okay, because there are certain areas of the economy that will benefit from that. Higher rates will help banks. Volatility will increase trading volumes and profits in some of the brokerage firms, and other places in the economy will benefit from this volatility. But I don't think we see a bear market anytime in the foreseeable future, and if it does, that cash that's been sitting there's about $16 trillion of cash that's been just basically parked for the last several years. I think you're going to begin to see some of that money come to work and take advantage of buying opportunities. So, I don't know where things are going, obviously, but I do think that we have a Fed chairman and a Fed vice chairman who have come out of industries where, in the venture capital world, where debt is really used as a way of leverage, and I think we're going to continue to see that. I think we're going to see rates continue to rise, but I do still think that we're going to see stocks continue to rise too. So, I just didn't want you to be surprised or be too worried when you see the market maybe go through another correction. All lights seem to be fairly green at the moment, and I'll keep an eye on what's going on and keep you posted along the way. But that's it for this update, and I hope this has benefited you. I'll keep an eye on everything, and I'll be back in touch again soon.